Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. Wanted to talk to you real quick about a new product that we just got in. These are some LED grill badges. You can see I've got a small selection here. We have several other styles that will be available shortly at sparksmith.com. And it's a really simple product. If you're looking to add just a little extra accent light to your vehicle, there's a number of ways that these can be mounted. They were designed to fit on the grill, and then you would put this through on the back side, and then these slip nuts will just slide on there and hold it in place. It is also possible to cut these off, and you could use some 3M double-sided tape and mount them if you wanted to mount it like on your door or something like that. You would have to drill a little hole for the wires to come through, but you don't just have to stick with the grill when you're putting these on. Pretty cool little light. It's something that it's not too bright, so it's not gonna be bothersome or anything like that. But when it's on, and most people would probably wire these into like their parking lights or some kind of switched power source, however you want to do it. All it needs is power and ground. You can see we've got the Dodge one here. We've also got Silverado, GMC, F-150. We've got one with just the Ford badge. And we're going to be getting these posted up very soon at sparksmith.com, so go check them out and pick out one for your ride.